In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to N8N. We'll start inside Jira, where you need to create an API token so N8N can connect securely to your account. First, log into Jira. Once you are signed in, go to your profile picture. Click it and open your account settings. From there, select Security. In the Security section, click on Create and Manage API tokens. At this point, Jira may ask you to verify your identity with a security code sent to your email. Go to your inbox, get that code, and enter it to continue. After that, click Create API token. You'll be asked to give the token a label. You can use something clear and easy to recognize, like N8N integration, so you'll know later what this token is for. Then click Create. Now copy the API token immediately to your clipboard. This part is very important, because once you leave this screen, you won't be able to view the full token again. If you lose it, you will need to create a new one. Next, switch over to N8N and open your workflow canvas. Click the plus icon, search for Jira software, and add that node to your canvas. Once the node is added, choose the action you want to use, such as create an issue or get an issue, depending on what you need. After selecting the action, click Setup Credential. A new window will open where you can enter your Jira connection details. In the email field, enter the email address linked to your Atlassian or Jira account. In the API token field, paste the token you copied a moment ago. In the domain field, enter your Jira site base URL to get that. Go back to Jira and copy the main site address from your browser's address bar. Make sure you copy the correct base URL, since this is what N8N uses to reach your Jira instance. Once all the fields are filled in, click Save to lock in your credentials and complete the connection. From here, you can finish configuring the Jira node. Select the project, choose the issue type, and add the summary. These fields tell Jira what kind of issue you want to work with and what details to include. When everything looks good, click Execute step. If the connection is working properly, you'll see that the node executed successfully. Finally, click Execute Workflow and the update will be sent to Jira. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.